Hello, hey, hi. Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? Welcome back. It's Friday, and I'm filming this video last minute because my life has been chaos. It feels like it's been chaos. You might hear extra clicks in the background, and if you do, that is because we have some extra dogs. We've got my sister-in-law, my brother and sister-in-law's dogs with us. They're going on vacation for the next week, so I drove 2.5 hours to meet them in the middle to pick up their dogs so I could dog sit for the next week. So it's a bit chaotic. But anyways, if you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs, if I could speak. If that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thank you for being here. Anyway, if you're not new here, welcome back. Today is, I don't think I've done this particular recipe. I've done things very similar, but I haven't done this particular recipe. We really love the pickled jalapeños you get from the grocery store, which I have not purchased from the grocery store in a very long time because I grow my own jalapeños, I water bath can them, and they taste just like the grocery store ones, except way more spicy. But currently I don't have enough jalapeños to make a big batch of canned ones. So today's recipe are refrigerator jalapeños that have been pickled. I don't think I've done this one before, and if I have, I'm sorry. I'm just a very real life person. I just film what I have going on, and this is what I've got going on, and this is what needed to be done. So if you want to just follow along, you're welcome to it. If not, thanks for being here anyways. All right, let's go back in time, I guess, and make these. All right. All right, so we're gonna do 1 cup of white vinegar. I'm gonna do 1 cup of water. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Now, this recipe does call for 2 garlic cloves smashed. I actually don't have any fresh garlic, but I do have some dehydrated garlic. So I'm gonna add just like a handful of it. And then it also calls for 1 tablespoon of salt. My salt is pink, which is a bit unfortunate, but I'm gonna do a tablespoon of salt. Now, I'm gonna bring all of this to a boil, and then we'll pour it over the peppers. All right, now, I didn't pack this completely full with peppers. It's okay. I kind of just didn't have enough. I mean, I do, but I didn't want to go out and pick anymore, so this is what we're working with. Now, I'm just gonna take this and make a giant mess and pour it over the peppers. Okay, this is what they look like. Like I said, I didn't fill it super full. It is super, super hot, which is to be expected, obviously. Just poured boiling liquid into it. I'm gonna just kind of put a lid over it and I'm not gonna put it in the fridge just yet. I'm gonna let it cool off just a little bit, and then we'll put it in the fridge, and that's that. They'll stay good in the fridge for 2 months, you know, give or take, depending on how your fridge is. So yeah, that's that. And they taste really good, trust me. All right, I did finish making these. And I can already tell you they're gonna be fantastic. I tasted the brine, tasted the brine, and it is perfect. I don't love a sweet brine when I do jalapenos. I know, well, it depends on if I like it sweet or not. I know that they have, like Trader Joe's has, I think they're the cowboy candy. I don't know. They have a sweet jalapeno in a jar, and they are fantastic on like hot dogs and chili, on sandwiches, on pizza, anything like that, but they're sweet. I also love non-sweet ones. Honestly, I probably like these more because they go on nachos. Again, we put them on pizzas. We make a lot of pizzas. If you know, you know. We make a lot of pizzas, and we put them on pizzas. We put them on nachos. We put them on tacos. We put them in a lot of things. So this is a really good recipe if you don't have enough to water bath can and you just want to put it in your fridge. This is perfect. I can assure you they're good. So that's the end of the video. I don't know what my next one's gonna be. I have an idea of what I want to do. I have some I think they're called Mexican gherkin cucumbers, and they're really, 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 really tiny, like little tiny. And I want to make pickles out of them, but I don't think I have enough yet. So we'll see. That might be the next video. I'm not sure. Really not sure. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.